there's the date and time. This is the elevator here at the Dillard store at the Hill Country Galleria in Bee Cave, Texas. Let's go to 2. It's chimeless. Holy crap, this elevator's shaking like crazy. All right, let's go to 1. Door close button does not work on Schindler's. Let's get a cab view. This is actually pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it's crazy. Look at the mirror, who do you see? Hey, these are fixtures. Floor indicator. Kind of stopped a little roughly, but wow, it's taking forever to level. And there it goes. And that's it.